Do you suffer from lots of anxiety, fear, worry, loneliness, or you just feel like crying? You can't stay alone, you can't be in your own solitude. If this is what you are going through, then you must listen to this video till the end. I am talking about Moon with Ketu conjunction in your birth chart. So, Moon with Ketu, when it comes in your astrology chart, we get to see these energies, these difficult energies when one person is thrown at many emotional challenges. Hi, I am Vrishali. I am a psychic medium, a spiritual healer, and I'm going to talk about this conjunction in details. So, a person feels very much the energies of fear, irritability, anger, and they, keep overthinking about the past issues. They cry a lot. They feel lonely. They cannot stay alone, and especially during the new moon, they feel a lot of pressure during this period of the moon cycle. Basically, their Ketu energy with the moon is where this whole combination will affect their thinking ability and even how they process their emotions. Ketu, as we all know, is a planet of separation and seclusion. So it gives you a lot of opportunity to, analyze your life throughout this heightened emotional period of a new moon cycle. And we also get to see similar energy during the full moon. So according to my analysis and all the chart that I have read, even if you have a moon in Ashwini, Magha, or Mula Nakshatra, you will get to see certain variations of this energy. It may not be completely present in your chart, but definitely it will affect, especially when moon is in Mula Nakshatra. It will give you more difficult energy, more challenges emotionally, like you can feel hallucinations, a lot of illusion, you feel very scared. You might see low energies, like in terms of entities around you, bad spirit energies or bad soul, because you at that point are experiencing low vibrational frequency of your own soul. So you need to do a lot of work to pick up your energies to come to the high state, high level of vibration, and this will balance your energy. So I recommend a lot of people, who may be experiencing this, to balance their chakras on daily basis, because chakra balancing is one of the very powerful ways where you could balance your energies. And of course there are amazing crystals which help you with these difficult energies, and try to accept and understand. I see that most of the people who do not accept the emotional issues land up, getting diagnosed with issues like PTSD, issues like ADHD, or they have bipolar tendency, and they create a lot of emotional issues in their life because they are not able to understand, process, and accept themselves and their own emotions. So if you have a moon with Ketu conjunction, do not fear, but rather go dig down and try to solve this energy and embrace this, because for some reason God has given you this energy. So I see a lot of people who have become researchers, they have become data scientists or scientists, and they are, working at very good positions because they're able to see through things, because this energy provides a combination of seclusion and, deep research ability, and that is why these people can do exceptionally well. Some of the other readers or astrologers do say that moon with Ketu can bring in a combination of psychic mediums or tarot cards, but I rather not agree with that, because I feel that is more of a moon with Rahu energy. Instead of moon of Ketu, I feel that moon with Ketu are good with their physical ability in terms of yoga, being a yoga teacher or Reiki master, or a pranic healer, or somebody who does is healing techniques or modalities which are mostly through the body, through the body language. It's not just the analytical part. So I believe that this energy can be corrected. We do not need to fear that it will cause a big issue in your life. It's just that Once you understand the energy, once you understand the intensity, it can be managed. You don't really need medications for that, but definitely the severity depends upon everybody's circumstances and situations, and they can definitely consult an expert on that. My view is that you can practice alternate healing techniques and balance this energy. Okay, so no need to blame yourself or feel alone. You're like not alone. When you really have this situation in your chart, definitely you should get help and assistance. You can speak to experts, spiritual experts like me, or anybody whom you can trust and confide, and open up and express your emotions. And that is how you will be dealing exceptionally well with this energy, and you can live a normal life, and you can live a peaceful life. I'm not getting into any stream of astrology or any other way how they calculate things. This is from the energy perspective, totally based on intuitive astrology, what I have felt through seeing through the charts. So do take care of your emotional energy, your moon energy. Your moon needs to get balanced. You can book a reading with me to help you understand more with your life. I do astrology, numerology, tarot, vastu, chakras, emotional question, that's emotional healing sessions, spiritually, spiritual lifestyle programs, so I can help you grow spiritually. And of course, quantum healing is part of my work, law of attraction is part of my work. I can guide you with gemstones and best of the crystals for your healing work. I am the founder of U24 Healings Energy Cafe, and firstly, I thank every new member who has subscribed my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm a bit slow on uploading because I have a lot of work going on, so I'm a bit slow, but I try my best to at least put up 2 videos a week. And I hope you're enjoying my content. I would really appreciate if you share this video with your friends and family, because this is my sole mission, to help souls, to heal them. And if somebody gets benefited out of my video, I just feel happy. So this is it for today. I wanted to share my views about moon with Ketu. If you have any more to add, you can please put it in the comments. I would love to read them. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.